Welcome to my channel once again. Apart from the national parks, I was talking about the conservation and wildlife sanctuaries for protecting specific animals which are severely endangered. Now central government also announced several more projects. For example, specific animals and specific animals like Project Tiger. Project Tiger means to project the tigers only along with their environments. And the success of Tiger project lead to other projects also, and that is one horned rhinos also. For these projects and for national parks, for the wildlife sanctuaries, at least 40% area has been reserved in which wildlife has been given full legal protection against hunting, poaching, and the trade. Conservation projects are now focusing on the biodiversity. Now we are on the field of the conservation of the biodiversity. In biodiversity, field of conservation has become more wider. In the Wildlife Act of 1980, several hundred butterflies are also included, moths are also included, beetles are also included for the conservation purpose. And the conservation list is becoming wider and wider. And even some plants are also included. Now there is no conservation of only animals, but conservation of biodiversity. In biodiversity, everything is included along with the habitat and environments. Now, I give you example for the first project which was started in India, that was the Project Tiger. I have already told, tiger is very important species of the wildlife. More importance in the wildlife web projects. In the beginning of centuries, I have already told, almost there was 50,000 tigers. But the first time it was realized in 1973, their number has become so low. It was about 1,827. The cause was very simple: hunting, poaching, particularly of the tiger skin, and one major cause was the shrinking habitat of the tigers. Asian countries where the tiger population on the verge of extinct, which was providing ideal conditions for the population of the tigers, and that was losing the numbers. It is often said, often not said, but it is the fact that India, along with Nepal, provide two-thirds habitat for the surviving tiger population. Therefore, to save the tiger, this project was launched in India in 1973. It is often said Project Tiger one was the best campaign in the world to save the tigers. And it has got the success also. Almost the tiger population has increased to double. And now it is on increasing also. And the success was so much effective that some other projects are also started. That was Project Ransom, one-horn rhinos, which was losing their numbers. Now they are under these projects also, other projects also. But one thing is there, this Project Tiger particularly is successful in Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Sundarban National Park in West Bengal, and Bandhagad National Park in Madhya Pradesh, and the Sariska Wildlife in Rajasthan. Manas Tiger Reserves in Assam, Periyar Tiger Reserves in Kerala are more successful as far as the number of the tigers are increasing. And the tiger project is successful. Keep on successing. In the morning newspaper, I have got one more news. I was talking about the cheetah. Now the Project Cheetah is also being launched. But the sad news is this. Last few months, 20 cheetahs were brought in India from South Africa under this project to save them and to increase them and to grow them and to grow their breed. But it's pity that in the first 6 months, out of 20, when I'm recording this, 13 cheetahs has been died. They cannot face the strict environments of it. Therefore, now the projects are under the biodiversity reserves, biodiversity conservations. Because in biodiversity conservations, we can save all these animals and projects along with their environment, along with their habitat. And I have told you, as far as Nepal and India has ideal conditions for the surviving of cheetahs also and tigers also. I wish for the success of these projects so that our wildlife may be innate. It has their role in every way.